I absolutely love this spot. I've been here so many times. And since it hasn't rained in a while, I thought I'd try it again because it's warmed up a little bit. And I'm hoping we can find something other than just bullets from World War I, II, Korea, and Vietnam. So I'm gonna give it a shot. See if we can find some of the things we found in the past that are worth it, like mercury dimes and a ring, and I found one pocket watch. That's it. Uh, 50s and 60s. That's better than a super duper 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 high tone. God, this water's a little deeper than I thought it was going to be. I need to go back and put my waders on. Oh, now it's high tone. So I'm thinking this is probably going to be another bullet. 52 to 70s. Man, I don't want to dig a bullet right off the bat, but diggers can't be choosers. It's the way it goes, right? Zone. Some of the problem in here is a lot of stuff. Oh, okay, there's a signal. This pinpointer is nice because it actually lights up. I don't know if you can see it. Like when I get close to metal, it gets really nice. So maybe there's something right here other than a bullet. Maybe. You know what? Do you want to go under? There it is. It is a fishing lead. Fish or harvest for the start. '61, '63 right here. So, same right there. So both of those are bullets. We're gonna skip them. '55 to '65 right here. 68, '77 right there. I'm gonna skip that. Good, a car came by. We're keeping on moving though. Yeah, all these 60s are bullets. I'm gonna dig them just to prove myself right, because this one was in the 60s, 60, 61, and then there's some others in the 50s, but it all depends on how much metal is left on the round. This whole area just buzzes. I'll show you. We're gonna do some underwater. Struggling. I've been looking because there's always a brown water snake in these trees. It's usually on a limb over there. And I just spotted it. It's here every time I come. Look at this snake. Well, I blew that. I didn't want it to jump in the water, but it did. Man, I should have just grabbed it to show you, but I did not. Well, I just blew it and filled my boots up with water, so it doesn't matter now. We would just keep on rolling. I was trying not to because I didn't want to, but I can drown them out pretty quick, I guess. This spot, before the bridge was here, was where people used to cross in wagons and on horses and walking. And I could just picture them stopping down here playing, and right on those rocks right there is where I found the one gold ring. I found several mercury dimes in here, but the gold ring was just sitting up here on a rock, like it was just left there. We looked it up. My bride found it online, and it was old. The stone's missing. It's a lot older video, but you can look for it if you want to. I'm hoping that we can pull another mercury dime out of here. It's odd that I found some. I might have found maybe 5 in here and a few wheat pennies, but I want to find more. I got a 70s to a 90s right here, as long as it's not something stainless. It was made or part of this bridge, which is what you usually find under bridges. There's pieces of it. Oops, I left that on. Okay. Be a mercury dime. Be the dime. See the dime. 2 of them would be a paradigm. Be the dime. Let's go. Well, there it is. It has letters around the top. That I can't read. But we shall harvest. 66 to 70. Okay, I come off from underneath the bridge. You can see a little bit better, and so can I, which is good. So this side is where the mercury diamonds were found. I saw another snake, but it was a little quicker than me. We have to make our way down and around a little bit. All right, I got a solid 80s right here. Let's hope this is something with a little more interest. Ah, here it is. Modern library, modern quarter, or what? It is right there in my hand. It is a library. Maybe not a library. That is a, yes, a modern library. Initial harvest. A hunk of iron could always be something interesting. Another 12 gauge. Right? So let's see. Unless it's buried really deep. It seems like it is. I want another snake. I think we're gonna head back upstream and look in the common spot where there's a lot of stuff. This is a big iron signal, which may not be worth digging. There's only 8 ways to know, and we're going to start with the first one. Another iron signal that I want to know about. It's pretty deep, but I thought the last one was deep too. So let me get it started. So we at least get a beep. Never mind, something's wrong with my detector. So we're gonna skip that. Turn this off. And move on up some more. Man, I thought I had something right there. See, there is right here, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a bullet. And they're just not exciting after the first 700. '40s to '50s. Oh, surely not another bullet. But again, we'll find out. I got an 80, 81 right here. This is going to be a dime. Let me turn around so I can get everything to wash away. I just heard a gunshot. I'm so far out here around no one. Water's barely moving right here. Okay, maybe if I go slow and we sit still, I can find it. We've got all the modern tools of the trade to find anything underwater. I'm getting good at this. I knew that was probably 10 cents minus 9 cents. I just always round up by 10. So we'll go up here in this last little sunny spot and try this again. Once I fall down, I hear some more gunshots. $75, $76. Pretty sure that is, I don't know. I'm done guessing. So far I've been wrong every time. Kind of moving up a little further than I had planned, but I don't know if that's to outrun horseflies or if it's just for entertainment purposes. I think we're going to go up there to the next pile of sunshine, and then that's pretty deep. And then that'll take up there and maybe head back down. I always stop every now and then because I'm out here with these headphones on. Can't hear anything. And I'm wondering if there's like a big cat watching me, or a bear, or a lion, or a tiger. There's a piece of iron right here that I think we need to find. We're a lot further upstream where all the soldiers would have crossed. And this may be something of interest. Maybe. Let's see. Right there. It's got to be in this water. Right here. It's right here. Clean up a little more. Get it really clean. rock doesn't move. The root is gigantor and I'm standing on it. So this may be a no-getter. I don't know, I hate to give up. Let's move this one out of the way. Go over here and see if I can get it from the side. If we can get that rock out of there, then we might be able to get underneath the other one. Let's move it. Need more rocks out of the crack. Switching the crack. Here we go. Now we've got a chance. Unless it disappeared. But you know, I just got to thinking. First of all, it disappeared. Second of all, 40, 45. There's a pull tag. 54 to 55. Right here in this little crack. That is an absolute perfect sound for a piece of gold. So if I don't fall down and crack my crown, we may find it. Oh man, I left this thing on again. And it could be a can. Nothing. So that means I gotta go back over here and get this device. Right here, put it back on my head and start over. Sometimes that's your only option. Mine too. I don't know how it sounds like it's on the side of that rock. It doesn't make sense. Could be a nickel in this crack. How is that such a strong sound? And it's not here. That's not gonna move. If that can move, I could get some of the squirrels out of the way to see a little better. There we go. Now. There it is. It's under this rock. In the crack right there. So it's under here. And it'll never come out. It is inside that. Gosh, I thought I just heard something. Run by me. In the woods. I need to put y'all up here on a tree while I look for this. Maybe if something goes by, you can tell me. It's in this crack right there. And I have that crack breaking hammer that one of y'all gave me a long time ago. but not with me. The one cool thing, somebody could have got up here and set their rings right there, not cool for them, and it went right in that crack. Probably made that exact sound too. Let's check the numbers again. $53, $54, $52, absolutely perfect sound. That's worth coming back with a hammer, and I may have one. You just gotta remember that rock. Are you looking at it? Yeah, me too. All right, a little bit more. Just keep going. Ah. I'm done. I've got a long way to go. In a short time to get there, and I have walked upstream pretty far, so I got to take the road less traveled. I got a few little bitty tracks on it, but we're gonna head back. So what we find? A couple of libraries and a big hunk of brass or copper circle something. Maybe we'll run across a big fat juicy rattlesnake on this trail. Better that than someone hiding up there watching me. So I'm done. I'm gonna try to start metal detecting more, get a little more adventurous. Thanks for watching my videos. I just figured out what this says. It says lock, off, on, start. That is the bezel off an ignition to turn it on and off. So the question is, what did that come off of? I know my hands are shaking. I don't know why. I may have the sick. How many of y'all get it? You get it? Thanks for watching my videos.